In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default calendar in Google Calendar. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or simply prefer a different calendar to be set as your default, I'll guide you through the necessary steps to make this adjustment. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. If you haven't bookmarked it already, simply search for Google Calendar and click on the first result that appears. Once the site loads up, you might be prompted to sign in, especially if you aren't logged into your Google account yet. Next, enter your email address in the provided field. This is your standard Google login, the same one you use for services like Gmail or Google Drive. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click on the Next button. You may need to complete this process pretty much whenever you're accessing your Google account from a new device. Now it's time to enter your password. Remember to keep your password private and secure, as this will help protect your account from unauthorized access. After entering your password, click on Next again to proceed. You're now inside Google Calendar. To adjust the default calendar for your events, find an event you'd like to edit. Click on it, and then click on the Edit Event button. This allows you to change various details about the event, including the calendar it belongs to. On the Event Edit page, there will be a section labeled My Calendar. Click on it. This will present you with a drop-down list of all the calendars that are linked to your account. Choose the calendar you wish to set as your default for this and future events. Once you've made your selection, be sure to click on the Save button. This is crucial, as it saves your changes and ensures they're applied to the event. If there are no errors, your event will now belong to the newly selected default calendar, and you'll be redirected to your main calendar view. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the default calendar in Google Calendar. This can help organize your events better, especially if you're managing multiple responsibilities or projects. If you run into any issues during this process, consider clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser. Sometimes a simple refresh can resolve any minor technical glitches you may encounter. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more informative content. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or additional tips that could help others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.